Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin in Side Settings on your device. First, open Accessibility and select Switch Control. This is where you enable the feature and manage inputs. Connect a Bluetooth switch or choose Screen as Switch so you have an input to map. Once connected, flip the main switch control toggle to on. You're doing this now because the system must detect an input before you can create actions and recipes. Enabling early prevents wasted configuration steps and lets you immediately test basic scanning. Now you'll create and assign switches. Tap Add New Switch, choose the source, external or screen, then pick the action you want that switch to perform, for example, select or menu. Make sure to set scanning style to auto or manual depending on how you want focus to move. Adjust hold duration and auto scan time to match your reaction speed. Shorter times make control faster but less forgiving. Once done, test each switch so you can refine timing and avoid accidental triggers. Finish by customizing recipes and visuals to fit your workflow. Create a recipe to run a sequence of actions in an app, then enable it for that app only. This speeds repetitive tasks. Tweak cursor size, color, and scanning display so you can track focus easily. Practice using the switches for common tasks until muscle memory forms. If a switch stops responding, check Bluetooth or wired connections, restart your device, and reassign the action. Often reconnecting the switch clears the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.